guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a simple and easy recipe to make your own homemade keto, low carb, apple spice muffins. Come on and let's get into it. So for this video, we are going to be using our standard go-to of 2 cups of almond flour. And don't forget that the almond flour is to be sifted as usual. That keeps it from clumping up on us. These recipes are as close to the original as we can get. And sifting the flour is one way to ensure that. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/2 cup of granulated swerve, 2 teaspoons ground cinnamon. Combine all the dry with a wire whisk to get them nice and mixed. Also, 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed. That gives it a little extra fiber. Okay, now for as far as our wet ingredients, we're going to be using 4 large eggs, a teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. We're going to want to start whisking it, but also a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And then we're going to want to whisk all of our wet ingredients together. And we're going to whisk them into the dry ingredients. Then we're going to add in 1 cup of unsweetened applesauce. Spray a little avocado oil in each cup when we go to have these muffins. And I have a pretty handy ladle that I use to scoop my batter into the muffin tins. Yeah, so this batch is going to make 6 hearty muffins. And these muffins you can use for your breakfast with a cup of coffee and maybe an egg. If you've watched my videos before, you know that I like to add a little special topping. I have my confectionary swerve. Well, actually, I'm going to take my walnuts, put a few on the top, whatever you like, whatever your preference would be. 1 or 2 or 5 or 6. Added bonus, I'm also going to dab the top with just literally a sprinkle of cinnamon. So that way it gives it like the apple crumb topping. So here are our 6 good-sized muffins ready to go into the oven, and we're going to give it like 25 minutes. And we'll see you back in 25 minutes. Hey you guys, so we're back to take our apple spice muffins that are keto and low carb out of the oven after 25 minutes, and we're going to see what's up. Can you smell the cinnamon? How terrific it smells. And when it gets to be the fall time, there's nothing better than the smell of apple cinnamon in the air of the house. It's just, and I have a little friend here, she's waiting as well. It's Maya, and she's a real good foodie, just like her mother. So let's open up our oven and get our muffins out. I'm a little fogged up, can you see that? I feel like I definitely need more time. 25 minutes. Yeah, they're a little bit soft, as you can see. So we're gonna pop these in and throw on 6 more minutes for a bit of a more cooked product. So that's how it looks so far. Here's Maya waiting for the delicious apple cinnamon muffins. She's very attentive to the smell of the apple cinnamon in the house. She's waiting patiently with the rest of us. Woohoo! Maya! Maya! What a good girl she is. Ooh! Okay, you guys, we gave it a little bit more time because it wasn't quite ready. And let's see. So that's a better, so far this looks a lot better than before. It's much more browner, which is what we want. The top is on the brown side with the crispiness. And let's get our butter knife and insert. That's out clean. Hey you guys, so we're back to taste test these apple cinnamon spice muffin. This is probably my most favorite part of the videos, is tasting stuff. But okay, let's see. It's very moist, it's very flaky, looks tender. I lost one of my nuts. I have to say, this really is good. And if you notice, I always say all my videos, all the recipes are good. I wouldn't waste your time if they weren't good, is the point. And this recipe is something that really is pretty outstanding. The flavor is exactly like apple pie, and if you have a cup of coffee in the morning, this muffin will be fantastic. And I always appreciate your support and the fact that you keep coming back. And I look forward to the next video. Since we're in the fall season, I'm doing a series of videos that have to do with fall foods that are keto, low carb, gluten-free, dairy-free, and sugar-free. Thanks again for stopping by. Over and out. Ciao for now. And I'll see you in the next one.